Nityanandam, this is Mark and welcome to NTV News from Bididi Ashram. It's Friday, March 16, 2012, the year of meditation. The headlines. In a replay of a previous Bhagavad Gita discourse, Swamiji talked about the joy of letting go. The newest Past Lives webinar is tomorrow at 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Now for the day's top stories. Today, for morning discourse, the September 10, 2011 Bhagavad Gita discourse was replayed, The Joy of Letting Go, as Swamiji was returning from the press conference in Chennai. Swamiji talked about the joy of being a disciple and the feeling connection with the Master. He said being a disciple is the last blissful experience before enlightenment. The enlightenment is something that cannot be described. The final bliss you experience is the joy of being a disciple. We should enjoy it because we will miss it after enlightenment. Just sitting and listening, having the readiness to listen. Few get the chance to be a receiver of the enlightened consciousness. It's the ultimate experience people get to experience in life. It's a joy to just be sitting and melting, listening to some words, missing some words, being a receiver, and the joy of listening.
I tell you, just listening, just being a disciple is a joy. If I am allowed, whole day I can just sit in front of Anandeshwara or the banyan tree and just relax and gaze them, nothing else. I can spend my whole life just being a humble receiver. That is why still, morning and evening, that's my first activity. Going and just being a receiver. It is a joy. If you see me there and here, it will be a big confusion. Please understand. There are references. Krishna was receiving Pada Puja every day from all the Gopikas. I enjoy that melting down, being a disciple. I feel I have been given the joy and opportunity of experiencing disciplehood. Great experience which I never had and which I was really waiting to have was being a disciple. I thoroughly enjoyed that being a disciple, the joy of being a disciple, the celebration you experience when you sit as disciple, resting and looking up, the lion is 1,000 times more than identifying yourself as a sheep or cub or lion itself. Identifying yourself as a sheep is one stage. Identifying yourself as a lion cub is one stage. Identifying yourself as a lion itself is one stage. So identifying yourself as a sheep, completely different from the lion, is Dvaita. Identifying yourself as a cub, not completely different, but not completely one, is Visishtadvaita. Identifying yourself as the lion itself is Advaita. But I tell you, there is a space which is beyond all these three. The most beautiful, sweet, graceful space. When the cub is going through the period of transition from cub to lion, that space, being a disciple. When the cub runs every day to see the lion, to pick up the body language of the lion,
When you sit and melt, let go, the possibility of being possessed by ego disappears. Enlightenment is not exactly a joy or a bliss. The enjoyment idea goes. It's just not the same.
Today my main content of the press meet is 3 points I wanted to reveal. 1, 4 forensic laboratory reports from USA, people who use the standards of FBI, machineries of FBI, expert used by FBI, that standard 4 experts have given their reports saying, quoting 60 reasons that this video is morphed, it is misrepresented, manipulated, and I have given the whole report. You can have the copy. This is the first point. Second point I want to tell, and now the Lenin Karuppannan is arrested. There are so many other cases on him. He should be in the prison till all these cases are attended, and he should be brought to book. And the third point, all the other people who are arrested in the case I gave, Saxena, Ayyappan, Prasanna, all of them have confessed for their crime. And the reports, whatever, after they confessed, police called us and did re-investigation. In that we came to know about their confession. This is the essence.
Do you believe that something you're experiencing now may be directly linked to your past but out of reach? Did you ever wonder if maybe, just maybe, the key for unlocking your future just lies in the past? Now, this is your chance to get answers. Otherwise, these questions will continue to intrigue you or even haunt you for maybe your entire life. Join the Discovering Past Lives webinar live with Paramahamsa Nityananda on March 17th and free yourself from limitations. India, March 17th, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. India Standard Time. And in international news, Los Angeles Temple sends updates from their daily peace meditation, prayer prasad, 2012 volunteers meet, and support of the Chennai Press Conference.
Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvanvadinam Gagana Satisham Tattvamasyadivaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalavashanam Sarvadi Sashibhutam Bhavadinam Trigunarahitam Sadgurum Tam Namami.
Peaceful, energized. It takes you to, when you're holding your breath out at the bottom, it just takes you to a nice space of that silence. And that's the essence of where the peace comes from, going deep within.
Do you notice a difference? You've been doing it for each day. So have you felt a difference as each day happens?
I think, yeah, you have a different experience every time, depending on, where you're at. So it's learning too to project that peace out to, not just to keep it here, but to project it out, into the world, because that's where we need to send that peace vibration out, and to let it radiate out. So I think It takes, we've been going along, I think that gets bigger,
Bigger.
wider view, so.
I have to say, watching it, I completely agree. The energy is much stronger and wider, and even noticing the Kundalini is even more intense too.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Model process release procedure which is happened. I did not file any case, only the ashram administrator had filed the case. Even in this case they are also involved. But I have not filed any defamatory case against them. Because they will come at us tomorrow, we will come at them to just life. But trying to destroy, immediately they start my poster. Put a super mala, call rowdies and telecast this news for 24 hours on the TV. See, they have lowered the standard of the TV. 24 hours showing the face of a Swamiji. Don't they have any other job? Are they jobless? In this issue, if they divert all the Kannadigas against you, but I have to tell anything frankly, I never had any problem with the...
National news. Tiruvannamalai sent photos from the daily public service of providing free medication to all who require. That's all from NTV News for now. Thank you for joining us, and let us end our news with a bliss dose from Swamiji. Sharing with others is nothing but creating an enlightenment-based community around you. Thank you for joining us, and join us again next time on NTV News. Nityanandam.